Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I talk about tech, Mac setups, and tools that make your workflow smoother. Today, I'm showing you 5 must have Mac apps in 2026, not the random ones everyone repeats, but the ones I genuinely use daily and can't live without. Whether you are a student, content creator, or someone who just got a new Mac, these apps will help you make the most of it. And I have got a bonus app hack at the end that literally sits on your screen and boosts your productivity. So grab your coffee and let's get started.
The first app is Local Send, and honestly, this one's a lifesaver. If you ever struggle with transferring files between your Mac and a Windows PC or Android, you know how annoying it gets. AirDrop just doesn't work outside the Apple ecosystem. Local Send fixes that completely. It's an open source, free alternative to AirDrop that works across all platforms. You just install it on both devices, make sure they are on the same Wi-Fi, and boom, instant transfers with zero setup. It's completely private too. No servers, no third-party cloud. Everything stays local, encrypted, and secure. I use it daily for sending videos, screenshots, and PDF between my devices without cable or drivers. Next up we have is something visual. The default macOS wallpapers are great for like the first week. After that, you want something fresh and aesthetic. Unsplash wallpapers give you unlimited free HD wallpapers that auto refresh on your Mac every day. Or you can set up how often you want them to change just from the menu bar. You can pick categories, minimal, nature, architecture, whatever suits your vibe, and it updates your desktop automatically. If you are someone who works long hours on your laptop, that teeny bit of freshness on your desktop genuinely helps your focus and mood. And you can find this app very easily in your app store. Third app is iStat menus that no one will tell you about. This one's perfect if you like knowing what's happening under the hood. iStat menu adds tiny clean widgets on your Mac's menu bar showing your CPU usage, RAM load, temperature, network speed, and even fan speed. It's super helpful if your Mac starts feeling laggy. You can instantly check which process is eating up your performance. It also gives battery health insights and lets you customize notifications so you know when your system running hot or when background tasks spike. There's a free trial if you download it from App Store. And if you want a full version of it, then I have your back. You can check for it in description below. Next one is your Mac's Doctor Clean My Mac X. If you have had your Mac for a while, you know how quickly junk files build up. Old cache, system logs, leftover apps, random files from downloads, these things can slow down your Mac. Clean My Mac scans everything and safely deletes clutter, freeing up tons of storage. But what I really love is its optimization and maintenance tools. You can free up RAM, manage login items, and even uninstall apps cleanly without leftover files. Just run a smart scan once a week and your Mac will literally feel brand new. It's again a paid app, but for a full version, you can check the description down below. Now, this one's a bit different. Ed Club, also known as Typing Club, it's a web-based app but works flawlessly on Mac. You can use it as app. You just have to go to Chrome, click on the three dots on the right, and then click on Save and Share option. There, you will find an option Install Page as App. Click on it and click Install, and you are done. If you type a lot, emails, codes, scripts, essays, improving your typing speed is one of the most underrated productive hacks. Ed Club turns typing into a game. Colorful progress bars, goals, and accuracy tracking. Just doing 5-10 minutes a day can boost your word per minute drastically over time. and that's time saved every single day. Alright, here's the bonus one I mentioned, ChatGPT for Mac. You have probably used ChatGPT before, right? But on a Mac, that usually means opening your browser, signing in, and then typing your question. Well, not anymore. With the ChatGPT Mac app, you can summon it instantly. Just hit Command plus Option button, and boom, a ChatGPT input bar pops up right over any app you are using. No browser, no switching windows. Just ask your question, hit enter, and get your answer right there while you are coding, writing, or even watching YouTube. I personally love this one because it makes ChatGPT feel like a built in superpower on my Mac. Always available anywhere, anytime, without ever breaking your workflow. It's literally like having ChatGPT living inside your Mac.
So that's my list of must-have Mac apps for upcoming 2026. The tools that makes my Mac faster, cleaner, and more fun to use every single day. If you are new to Mac, I'd start with Local Send and Clean My Mac. They'll instantly make your experience smoother. Let me know in the comments which apps you are downloading first, and if you have got a favorite I didn't mention, drop it below. I might feature it in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more Mac and tech content every week. See you in the next one. Thank you.